I will read this in English. This is Gupkar Declaration, August 4, 2019. The representatives of the following political parties held an all-parties meet at the My Gupkar residence. Deliberated upon the prevailing political situation triggered by massive deployment of security forces, advisories issued, abandonment of Amarnath Yatra, which has never happened before, even when we had worse times between 90 and 2000. Amarnath Yatra was never disbanded. And forced removal of tourists from the valley. The meeting was presided by me and was attended by everyone here that is sitting, this Mahbooba ji here, and all other political party leaders that you can see are here. The names will be given to you subsequently in a handout that will come. It was unanimously resolved that all the parties would be united in their resolve to protect and defend identity, autonomy, and special status of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh against all attacks and onslaughts whatsoever. The modification, abrogation of Article 35A, 370, unconstitutional delimitation or trifurcation of the state would be an aggression against the people of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. That the parties participated in this meeting resolved to seek audience with the President of India and Honorable Prime Minister of India, and also other leaders of the political parties, to apprise them of the current situation and make an appeal to them to safeguard the legitimate interests of the people of the state with regard to the constitutional guarantees that have been given to the state.
By the constitution of our country.
Given by the state to the constitution of our country. They will also apprise them of the unwholesome consequences, both short and long term, bound to follow the unconstitutional violation of these guarantees. The representatives of the political parties resolve to remain together and stand united in their struggle for safeguarding the identity, autonomy, and special status of the state. I also, at the same time, appeal to the people of the state, Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh. मैं अपने लोगों से, हम सब की तरफ से अपील करता हूँ कि हर हालत में यहाँ अमन रखें, क्योंकि और सब्र करें, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. हमें कोई ऐसा कदम नहीं उठाना चाहिए जिससे कि यहाँ पे कोई भी खलल पड़े यहाँ के अमन में. दूसरी बात मैं ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ, मैं हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान से भी ये अपील करता हूँ कि वो कोई ऐसा कदम न उठाएं जिससे कि तनाव दोनों मुल्कों में बढ़े, क्योंकि जो ये तनाव बढ़ेगा उससे दोनों मुल्कों को नुकसान होगा. इसलिए हम सब लीडर जो यहाँ बैठे हैं उनसे अपील करते हैं कि कोई भी चीज़ कदम ऐसा न उठाया जाए जिससे कि तनाव बढ़ जाए.
शुक्रिया, बहुत
बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.